What's up, everyone? This is Flip, Low Country Diecast Racing League. Instead of being at work today, I have a dead battery in the truck. So while I'm waiting for the store to open up, I grabbed 16 muscle cars. Brand new in the pack. I'm going to show you all the cars, starting with number 1. We'll go all the way to 16. You guys know what to do. Shout out in the comments which number car you think is going to win. I am going to open them up and work them a little bit, and we'll see which one is the fastest. You never know. There might be a muscle car race coming up here soon, so stay tuned. All right, the first car will be the 2017 Camaro ZL1. If that's the car you want. Number 1. Second car, number 2, the 2018 Dodge Challenger. If that's the car you'd like, say number 2. Next up, we got the Ford Mustang GTD. If that's the car you want, say number 3. Next up, we got a 2019 Ford Mustang Matchbox. If that's the car you want, say number 4. Next up, we got a Dodge Viper. Nice medium wheels on it. Could be a good roller. Let's see. If this is the car you like, say number 5. The Rooster wants that car, but he can't. He's not allowed to play. All right. Next up, we got the Pontiac GTO 2006. If this is the car you want, say number 6. All right, moving right along. Next up, we got the 2013 Viper Stars and Stripes series. If this is the car you want, say number 7. All right, next up, we got the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Nice looking car. Like the color. If that's the car you want, say number 8. No, Rooster, you can't play. All right, next up. This might not be a fan favorite, but still one of my favorites. 69 Ford Torino. I love the way those cars look. If this is the car you want, say number 9. All right, next up, we got a 70 Dodge Charger. If this is the car you want, say number 10. All right, moving right along, we got the 69 Camaro convertible. If this is the car you want, say number 11. All right. Ooh-wee, here we go. Everybody's got to like this car. Buick Grand National. Sexy car. If this is the car you want, say number 12. All right, next up, we got the 69 Ford Mustang with the monster colors. It's a good looking car too. If this is the car you want, say number 13. All right. Next up, we got the 97 Corvette. If this is the car you want to drive, what number are we on? I done lost count. Where are we at? This is number 14. 14. Red's fast, you know. All right, next up, we got the 84 Mustang SVO. This is the car you want to drive? Say number 15. Another monster color. All right, last but not least, a 65 Mustang Matchbox. This is the car you want to drive? Say 16. All right, that's all the cars. I'm going to tear these bad boys open, get them worked up. Y'all make y'all's picks down below, and I'll see you guys on the track really soon. Alright guys, I'm going to give y'all one more look at the cars that's going to be racing. I am going to crack these bad boys open, lube them up, and they're going to hit the track. So this pick 'em race is going to come out pretty quick. It should be out by sometime this afternoon, so not a lot of time to make your picks. So if you know somebody who's into pick 'em races, tell them to hop on Low Country Diecast channel, make a pick, because the race will be coming out soon. I appreciate you guys. See you on the track.